Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your account with Udacity, full guide step by step clearly. To register your account with Udacity, navigate to the Udacity homepage. Look for the sign up button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign up button. You will be directed to a registration form. Here, you can choose to sign up using your email address or your Google account. If you choose to use your email, enter a valid email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and enter it in the password field. Make sure your password meets the specified requirements. Review the terms of service and privacy policy provided on the screen. If you accept the terms, check the box indicating your agreement. Click the Create Account button to proceed. If you registered with an email, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Udacity. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Udacity homepage. You can now log in using your email and password or your Google account. After logging in, complete your profile by entering any additional information requested. Finally, explore the available courses and start your learning journey with Udacity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.